Happy November, everybody. Thanks for joining me. My name is Heather. Every month, I like to unbox what I get in my Young Living Essential Rewards. Essential Rewards is basically a program where you can choose what you want every month. I like to buy a lot of our cleaning products for the home, supplements, and of course, a few essential oils. It's a program that you can totally customize. I kind of think of it as I get my stuff here rather than going to like Target or Walmart. So I'm going to show you what I got this month. I cannot believe it's already November. I think I got a few Christmas goodies in here, so I'm excited. A lot of times I'll place my order and then totally forget what I ordered. So sometimes it's a surprise for me to see what's in the box. So we will get started. The first thing, okay. So we go through this a lot. This is the KidSense Mighty Pro. It's their probiotic supplement, prebiotic and probiotic supplement. The kids take one of these every day and they love it because, I'm gonna just go ahead and open this up. It comes packaged in this powder form. So they kind of think it's like a pixie stick. A lot of times they'll just take it right out of the packet, they'll put it in their hand and eat it, or you can even mix it in water or a drink for them to drink it that way. But these were out of stock for a while. I know a lot of my friends use these, and like I said, my kids love them. So they were back in stock, so I stocked up. So we got those. And having 3 kids, we go through these really fast. So a lot of times I'll have to get a couple of bags to last us through the month. Because let's see here, let me just double check. Yeah, there are 30 in here. So having 3 kids, I usually get 2 or 3 bags a month. Next up, I bought some Thieves cough drops or hard lozenges. It's that time of year. It's getting cold. It's winter. I'm just gonna say it's winter. I mean, it pretty much is. Everybody, gets sick. So it's just nice to have these on hand. I really like the taste of these. It's a pretty, they don't have a really strong taste. So that is good. And let's see how many come in here. You get 30 of the lozenges in this bag. Next up, this is one of my Christmas goodies I got. I bought a few of these to give as Christmas gifts. They make great teacher gifts, friend, neighbor gifts, and this is the Joy to the World Bath Bomb. It's so cute. It's shaped like a star. So you can just put this in your bath, nice little bath bomb. And I love it too because, it's free of those harsh fragrances. This one smells really good. So this is gonna be a teacher gift. Don't tell my teachers. Next up, so we just moved into a new house, and believe it or not, there's only one bathtub in the whole house, and that's in my son's bathroom. So we just have a shower. I don't really take baths very much anyway, so I love these shower steamers. So what you do with these is it's kind of like a bath bomb. You take it and you just drop it in your shower or on your shower floor, or you can even kind of set it up where you would put your soap or conditioner and shampoo, and it just naturally deteriorates and leaves a great smell. This one is I Believe, and it's one of their Christmas. It definitely smells Christmassy. It kind of has a tree smell, which I really love. That's gonna be a good one. So I'll probably give a few of these away and keep one for myself. There are 4 in this bag, so you get 4 of the shower steamers. Let's open it up and see what it looks like here. I believe they're individually packaged. That's how they normally are. Oh yeah, these are super cute. They are shaped like stars, I love that. So these would be great for a gift. What you could do, since there are 4, you could put them in like a mason jar with a ribbon around or something. That would be a super cute gift. So, ooh, these smell really good. Next up, it's an oil. Forgot what I ordered. Purification. Purification is an oil I always love to have around. You've probably seen me talk about it in a couple of my other unboxings. It just helps to get rid of unwanted smells. So I use this a lot when I'm cleaning. I'll put a drop on a cotton ball and put that in the bottom of our trash can. I'll diffuse it while I'm cleaning just to get some of those smells out. It's also great to put on a cotton ball and then put in your car if your car smells. So it's just kind of one of those great oils to have. Let's see. This one, Thieves. Thieves is, of course, an oil that you just, again, want to have around all the time. It's their immune boosting oil. So especially this time of year, what I like to do is make a roller, and I'll roll the bottom of the kids' feet with Thieves and coconut oil. I use coconut oil, but you could use a carrier oil of your choice. And it just, again, helps support their immune system, support our immune system. So I'll also diffuse this while I'm here at home in the afternoons when they get home from school. It's great paired with orange and a bunch of different others. I also like pairing it with some of the tree oils like Northern Black Spruce or the Idaho Blue Spruce. So Thieves, can never have too much Thieves in my opinion. What else do we have here? Oh, so I have another one of the bath bombs. Oh, and another one. 3 for our 3 teachers. So that will be great. Next, I bought some more Sheerlume. This is the moisturizer I use. It's a brightening cream, and where we've moved, the air here is super dry. So I've noticed that my skin is a lot drier than it was when we lived in Atlanta. I was gonna open this up and show you. So believe it or not, I've already almost through one of these. This lasts for a really long time. I like to use it when I get out of the shower at night. So I'll put it on before bedtime. If I can open it up here. It's a small jar, but it does last a long time. So I believe I bought my last one probably early this summer. And I still have some left, but I didn't want to be without it. So I went ahead and grabbed it. So this is what it looks like. And this one's called Sheerlume. And speaking of moisturizer, I also got the orange, this is the facial wash, the Orange Blossom facial wash. I love this because it's super gentle on your skin. I've switched over to this. I actually used to use Cetaphil before, but switched over to this and really love it. And even my preteen daughter has started using it because it is so gentle. So, and this one lasts a long time as well. Next up, I got, it looks like some lip balm. This was part of the Essential Rewards incentives this month. So you can never have too much lip balm, especially this time of year. And then some Thieves dish soap. I love this stuff. It lasts for a super long time. It's ultra concentrated, so you can actually divide it up when you get it. You could add some water into another bottle, and this will make it last for an extra long time. So I love this dish soap. I use it also for laundry stains. So if I get a stain on the kids' clothes or whatever, I just take a little drop of this and kind of rub it in and then wash the clothes, and it works really well. Let's see. Oh, 2 of them in there. Next up we have Joy and Hope. Hope is one I've never tried before, and again, this was part of this month's Essential Rewards. So because I spent a certain amount of money, I got this one for free, and I'm super excited. So I've never tried this one. Let's smell it. This one, let's see what we have in it. This one has Melissa. Melissa's great for emotions. It looks like it has juniper, myrrh, black spruce. So let's see what this one smells like. Ooh, this one has a really nice scent. It has a very, very, very subtle tree smell, and it also smells sweet. And I think that's from, there's sweet almond oil in it. So I love this. This is really good. I'll be diffusing this one. It smells really good. So I'm excited about that. Okay. And then let's see, I think this is it. Oh, we have a few in there. So next up is abundance. Abundance is great. It is, I don't know how to describe the smell. Love the smell of it, but it's just a great one to have, especially again, this time of year. You know, I don't think of abundance necessarily as money. I just think about it as abundance of love, family, friends. It's just one that, again, I love to diffuse when I'm just feeling grateful. And it's another good one to have in your oil collection. Valor, this was actually part of the buy one, get one free that Young Living did this month. So I actually got Valor for free, which is super exciting. Valor also comes in the premium starter kit. It's made with blue tansy, and it has to be one of my favorite oils. I use it for perfume. I use it, or our whole family uses it as our Brave oil. It just encourages feelings of bravery, I guess you can, confidence, but it also just smells amazing. So I love this one as a perfume. And then more Thieves. This was again part of the buy one, get one free. So I am stocked up on my Thieves. I'll be making rollers for some friends and family as well. So excited about that. And I think that is all from my Essential Rewards. And then I also bought this month the Young Living Countdown Calendar. So instead of doing an Advent calendar this year, they did a countdown calendar. So it's filled with 12 different boxes. And if you watch the video, I'll link it here. You can see what's actually in the countdown calendar for yourself. There are some really good things. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you next time.